Hi, welcome to your next screencast. This information can be found on packet page 22, and it is due on Thursday, August 30th. Remember that if you have any questions while you're watching the video, you can pause it or rewind it. Also, write your questions off to the side and you can ask me, or you can text me on the Google Voice number. This is going to go over numbers 0 through 10, the big question, what's your telephone number, and how you answer it. So numbers 0 through 10. 0 in Spanish is cero, C-E-R-O. It looks almost exactly like zero, but you say it a little bit softer, so you change the Z to a C, cero. The next one, uno is 1, dos is 2, tres is 3, cuatro, 4, 5 is cinco, 6, seis. A lot of students get confused with how to spell seis because there's an E and an I and they're not sure what to do. But if you sound it out, seis, you hear the E sound first. And we've learned that the E sound is the letter E. A similar idea is that siete is 7. And when you say siete, you hear the E first, or the letter I. Therefore, you would spell it S-I-E-T-E. 8 is ocho, 9, nueve, and 10, diez. Don't get this confused with buenos dias. Dias in Spanish is days, or buenos dias, good morning, but diez has a stronger sound at the end, so it means 10. Make sure you spell it with your Z. Okay, the big question, what is your telephone number? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? The accents are important. Make sure you have one on cuál, número, and teléfono, as are the question marks. You have to have one at each end. The easiest way to start writing them at the beginning is to make the letter C and add a hat. Remember, this is the familiar way to ask this question, but there's also a formal way. If you want to ask formally, you only change one teeny tiny thing. ¿Cuál es su número de teléfono? Again, you still have to have the accents on teléfono, número, and cuál, and you still have to have your accent marks. Su is the only word that changes. That's the only indication that it's a formal question. When you answer it, my telephone number is, you would say, mi número de teléfono, my number of phone, or my phone number, is, the word is es for the adjective, or I'm sorry, for the verb is, and then you would put in your number. Remember to say your numbers in Spanish instead of in English. So for me, I would say, mi número de teléfono es 844-599-4734. Take a second to do two different things before class tomorrow. Number 1, write out our Google Voice telephone number in Spanish words. So it starts off with 847, but don't write 847, write it in Spanish. If you don't remember it, look at the beginning of your packet. It's on packet page 1, and it has one important word in it, tarea. Then, give the answers to the following math problems as Spanish words. For example, uno más uno, 1 plus 1, es dos. Let's try one together. 8 menos 3, 8 minus 3, es, good, 5. So you're going to write it out in words instead of mathematically. Do that so that you're ready for class on Thursday. Thanks!